Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a large batch of fruit punch, meaning I'm just going to be using a ton of stuff in my refrigerator that I need to use up and stuff that I just purchased. So I have a ton of fruit that I like to prep, and then I also like to prep our vegetables. This week I have veggies that need to be used, and I'm going to be buying more this weekend. Now I'm cutting up this watermelon, and as you can see, I am cutting off the rind, and I am putting this in a big bag for compost. Now you could use the green rind if you had purchased like an organic watermelon. I just don't feel comfortable using it because it's not organic. So what I'm doing is I am using that white rind part. Any parts that I can of that part I will put into the juice pile, but if it's green I'm going to put it into the compost pile. Now if you wanted a full-blown tutorial on how to cut a watermelon, you can check out our video that I'll link below. My husband does a full-blown tutorial on how to really cut a watermelon easily and dice it into chunks, and I'm kind of doing that method here, but I'm just doing it really quickly and kind of showing you how I'm using all those white parts for our juice. I have a lot of fruit that I purchased from the supermarket, and it's just going to be a fruit punch. When I say fruit punch, I mean it's going to have fruit, and I'm also going to add in some veggies, so that is something to keep in mind. You can add fruits and vegetables to your fruit punch, and it's going to taste absolutely delicious. Kids are going to love it. You don't want to have too much fruit that you don't have enough veggie in there, and then you do want to make sure you round it out with a complete meal, so this way they're not just getting a dose of sugar. And I always like to test the heart to make sure it's good. Now when I'm juicing watermelon, I try to get just that white rind and any parts that aren't super sweet. So if I got a watermelon that really wasn't sweet, I may juice the entire thing. But if we have a sweet, delicious watermelon, I'm going to put that into a bowl cubed up so we can really enjoy that melon. You could also juice the entire thing, but I just find that it's just more enjoyable to eat the watermelon, but we also get to enjoy it as juice. Here I'm just taking that big chunk of the top off and then cutting it into more slices so I can cube it up. And you can see me a little indecisive here. I'm like, should I cube the top? You know what? No, I'm gonna put it in the juice, and that's exactly what I did. And my juicer handled that. I have the NamaJ2 Juicer, which I really made sure that I found a juicer that was perfect for our family, and the NamaJ2 Juicer is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna finish cutting up all my produce and prepping it for eating and drinking. If you guys want to see how we make our fruit punch, you can skip to the end.
Bob, 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 Bob. I want one. So good. Oh, you're cutting. Good job cutting.
You want a piece of orange?
Yeah. Have some. Eat.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So what?
You're welcome, babe.
That is not a good sound.
Put that in the garbage, bud.
My white running. Mixing it.
Let me see this. Sorry, go. Yeah, we can keep that way.
I'm gonna see if it seems to me. Look at the bottom. Jesus hand now. Now show me.
You like it?
Yeah, I want to eat
You want to
it.
get a cup?
Yeah, for me. The dishwasher clean.
It is.
This you said.
That's for punch. Chew your juice.
Chew. I did. Chew it. You chew your juice.
I did.
I did.